Does your child struggle to write or have a very difficult writing experience? This could be a couple of reasons why they are finding it difficult. One, they may not be able to hold the writing position for a longer period, or they may not be able to see what they are writing. So here are some strategies to help you. Number one, you can push the writing paper or the material well ahead so that you are able to rest your hand on the table and then hold to your writing tool, which is your pencil. Number one. Number two, shift the orientation of the paper towards your left side if you are writing with your right hand, where you are able to see the child is able to see what they are tracing or writing. So this will give them a better hold to the writing tool, and also the positioning of the paper is very, very important, which helps them write appropriately. So now this gives them a better experience where they are able to stabilize their hand along with trace or see what they are writing. So the experience is better. Thank you.
Breakfreesolutions, brought to you by Project Discovery, supported by Enable India and Google.